Hey everyone, it's Brendan the Paleo Dude back with another surprise egg video. Today we'll be taking a look at what's inside one of these captive eggs. I'll be doing one of each in a separate video just to span it out for a little bit more content. You know the algorithm. So first we'll start with this egg with a little bit of damage on the plastic. I picked out this one because I had a good feeling about it, so hopefully we get that golden blue that's on there. I also brought this plate for the goo because these eggs contain some like orangey lava-like goo. So let's dig right in. So there's a tear thing at the back, this red kind of strip, and then once that is off, you peel this off. Ooh, the egg's a little slimy underneath. That's weird. But we'll just ignore that. And then there's another layer of plastic, which you tear from this green part, like this. And it's green underneath. So, once the plastic's off, you can see it's a green textured egg. It's got this kind of scaly pattern. Then you crack it open. And inside is this kind of gelatin-like goo that you pull off. On the package it says to wash your hands afterwards, and I wouldn't blame that. It's got this like watery feel, and it kind of leaves a residue on your skin. So interesting. It seems like I've got something big in there. It's a big bulky body. Might be a herbivorous dinosaur. So let's cut open this package and be careful not to cut the paper that's inside. Oh, I just realized there's also this tear thing. We don't need scissors. You can just, if you get a good grip on it, it's kind of slippery, which I cannot, so I'll just use the cut. And we get a little booklet which says the different dinosaurs we can get. Now let's see what's inside here. Oh, it's a Stegosaurus. Oh my goodness. I really wanted to see this one. It looked really decent on the packaging. So you get a little coin with it. It tells you its stats, its aggression level, intelligence. And this is very detailed. So let's zoom in a little bit. The legs are on this front ball joint piece, which clips in right there. Very interesting setup for this guy. It's kind of like in a running position. Now, this Stegosaurus has kind of a large head in comparison to the rest of the body. We see Stegosaurus on screen having a really tiny head in comparison. So this would actually work really well as a baby or juvenile dinosaur compared to Mattel's mainline. The detailing on this is very, very well done. A lot better than Mattel's miniatures, but these eggs are more expensive, so of course you're going to get more detailing and more paint on them. You can see it's even got this nice cross pattern of scales on the back. It's got a movie-accurate coloration of this kind of blues and beige lines on the back too. The thegomizers, those big spines on the tail, are painted. It's even got some detailing on its mouth, its eyes, and the plates on its back as well. And it's really nice that it's in this kind of running position. Gives some more action and life to the dinosaur. And it's really fun that it's like a pop-together figure. So let's see its scale compared to, say, let's move the gel away, the Mattel Triceratops. So you can see it is quite small, but again works perfectly as a baby Stegosaurus, which is compatible. Same with the Stygimoloch, which I got from the last poll. These are perfect baby dinosaurs. They fit very well with Mattel figures. So hopefully I get more of these herbivorous dinosaurs for my figure photography. So there we have it, the Stegosaurus. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, And if you did, make sure to leave a like, a comment, and even subscribe for more content like this. I'll catch you all in the next video. Bye-bye.